We love the Carpenters Union. Carpenters, thank you so much for coming out.
It's St. Patrick's Day when all the members of the Mid-America Carpenters Regional Council are Irish and joining in with the community, marching in parades on the northwest side and the south side of Chicago, as well as in Kansas City.
My parents are from Ireland, so to me it's a very important day. It's a big day for all of us in this community. The Irish American community here is very, very active, very strong. We're here to help serve our neighbors and our community.
I think the parade represents love to the community. There's so many people out here, even with this weather. This weather's crazy, but we have all these guys, all these sisterhoods out here. I love it, man. I think it's important for us to come out here and show it.
Let's hear it for the Carpenters! Love the Carpenters!
While early March can bring unpredictable weather in the Midwest, on this day, the road reached up to meet the Union Carpenters as they represented their trade within the communities.
We're out here to show support, to get people to join, so there's more behind it, you know. It's just not about, oh, we're union. No, we're out here participating, being in the community, and the weather. You know, the weather's not stopping us.
Happy St. Patty's Day! It's important for the unions to represent in events like this so that we can get out to the public that unions are strong.
Be a carpenter.
That unions built America, made the middle class.
This has been a long tradition for the Carpenters Union to be here, especially the Southside Parade, because it means a lot to the membership that participate in it. Carpenters do a lot of volunteer work on the South Side and all over the city that contributes to the different communities that we represent and that they live in. The unions stand for basically people making a living wage. It's a great career.
Come on, we build America!
My name is Dino Campos. I'm a proud union carpenter of Chicago's Local 13 for 24 and 7/8 years. And I'm happy to be here for St. Patrick's Day. God bless everyone.
I'm a plumber. Well, unfortunate, but...
As proud as the Irish are when they shout Erin go Bras, so are the proud Carpenters when they talk about their union.
Oh, wow. Being in the union has helped me out tremendously. I mean, I've been able to live a stable life, work hard for a decent pay, and provide for my family and provide the benefits that are needed to raise a family. I can't thank them enough for that, you know.
The Carpenters Union is so important to the community that even local members of Congress showed their support at this exciting and important celebration.
I just finished marching in a St. Patrick's Day parade with the Carpenters and lots of other folks on a chilly day in March. You know, we went through in the last Congress and really worked to make sure that we passed the biggest infrastructure bill in our country's history. We very intentionally made sure that the incentives that we put in place had a bias to make sure that we had good labor standards, union protections.
My name's Lou Sagina, and I'm a proud union carpenter. I love being a carpenter. And that's it.
Floats are an integral part of any parade. Built by the members for the members, the Carpenters float is a rolling symbol of union craftsmanship and pride.
It's very iconic to the parades that the Carpenters participate in.
This float was built here originally in 1999, and we wanted something out of the box. So we decided we'd have a self-driven float, which required naturally a vehicle. We went with a 1975 Chevy pickup truck.
The float became so popular, it was widely used in parade appearances over the next few decades.
For a few years, it was a little out of commission. We had to refurbish it and get it back in shape again. It's something that all our members look forward to seeing.
It had cracks and it had paint problems and it had different things, wear and tear, like anything would. We've done complete rebuild with some fiberglass work on the hammer, with new carpet on the float, new doors on the float. We redid everything mechanical on the whole float all the way through. The float itself is 18 foot long, the hammer is 20 foot long. It goes up and down like it's driving a nail. The sign on top of the float spins around, displaying whatever parade you're at. You know, we make signs that are unique to the function we're going to. And then it has a sound system that now it's state-of-the-art.
The new float is a hit at the parade, but it's the message the Carpenters are spreading about their pride in the trade that really hits home throughout the community.
We are part of the community, and we are a community within ourselves. And we would like people to join and be part of that with us.
Yes, sir.
If it wasn't for the union, if it wasn't for the Carpenters, I wouldn't be where I am now.
I wouldn't have been able to support my family the way that I have. So the most basic, most important needs that you have, the union sees to them and they help you tend to them.
Michael Conzo, Local 1, second-year apprentice. Happy St. Patty's Day.
Go Union!
They do it because we're all in this together. We all stand for it together.
Happy St. Patty's